welcome to the week in my life. And they want to see my listing. Hey, how's everything, man? So I have a agent, she wants to refer me and you a listing. It's a bar and they're selling a building. So now it's Friday, I'm going to have a haircut, which I do get every 7 days. There we go. So like I said, every 7 days is the haircut day because it's really important how you look, how you present yourself, especially in sales. There's only one chance for the first time impression. Yeah, like I said, now I'm going to go grab a coffee with myself, do some business planning, and after that I'm going to check on one of my listings. And that's pretty much it for today. In tomorrow I have a different plan, and then on Sunday I'm going to Columbus, Ohio for 3 days. I'm in Ohio Realtors Leadership Academy, and that should be fun. Of course, I'm gonna try to film as much as I can, as much as they allow me to. And I don't think I'm really good at vlogging and filming my day. It just doesn't feel natural too much. But I'll just send everything to my editor, and he's gonna do the magic. I hope so. So yeah, let's go. Is it just because of the income? Do you want to prove yourself that you can actually do it? Tell me more about that. Change of plans. So somebody called me and they want to see my listing, and I was like 10 minutes away. They were 20 minutes away from the listing. So I came here and now I'm going to show my listing and hopefully they like it. So this is a cute little house that I have for sale here in Cleveland. It's a nice house, fully remodeled. Everything is basically brand new, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for these people to show up. But they do love the house, but it's too small for them. I guess they don't like it. So in other words, I'm actually going to studio right now because it's 10 minutes away from here, and I'm going to shoot some video because that's also what I do now. I shoot videos, and after that I'm heading home, and that's basically pretty much for the day. So now it's Sunday, and I skipped Saturday for filming because I enjoy time with my son and with my family. Now I'm driving to Columbus for Ohio Leadership Academy, and the weather is so bad. I was supposed to be there at 4:30 and now it's 4, and I have 2 more hours to drive. So I'm gonna meet everyone at the dinner, and I'm looking forward to this event. We basically have 5 events throughout the country, and then graduation is scheduled for September, and I think it's going to be amazing, honestly. In April we are going to Chicago, and then I think in August we are in Ohio again, and then all different places that we are going to visit, and we have sessions, and I just don't know what to expect. So hopefully they will let me film some parts of it so I can share with you guys. Good morning, everyone. So this is Ohio Realtors headquarters in Columbus. So now it's Tuesday and I'm going back home. I wasn't able to film that much because we are not allowed to do so, but it was amazing. I learned a lot, and now I'm going back home. Tomorrow I have a listing appointment, and then Thursday and Friday and Saturday, you'll see how it goes. So talk to you soon. Good morning, everyone. Actually, it's noon now, and like I said, it's Wednesday. I'm going on a listing appointment. So if this was a couple months prior, I would probably film my morning routine and everything. But like I mentioned, we now have a son, so he's part of our morning routine. Me and my wife, we drink coffee, we play with him, and it's pretty amazing, to be honest. And then after the listing appointment, I have a couple Zoom calls that I'm going to perform from a coffee shop. And I have more minor stuff to do, sending emails, responding to calls, and just a regular day in the life of a real estate agent. So yeah, I did get the listing, and now, like I said, I'm going in a coffee shop. I have few things to do. For example, I'm onboarding 2 agents to eXp Realty. One agent is in Washington State, actually. She's in Seattle, and one agent is in Chicago. So I want to make sure everything goes smoothly, and I will show you how my virtual office looks like. So I will be going to eXp World now to ask a couple of questions, and then of course I have a Zoom meeting that I will be attending from a coffee shop. So after that I'm going home to eat something, and we'll see how the day goes. Sorry, man, I wasn't hearing you.
I'll get with Renee and put the push on to see what's going on here, okay?
Alright.
And do you use workplace chat?
Yeah, of course. So this is my name, as is.
Okay, how can I help you today, George?
So I have an agent that I'm onboarding, and she was with TXP 3 years ago. And now she's looking to joining again. Today is Friday, and I have a couple things to finish from the same coffee shop I was 2 days ago in. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to have a haircut today again every 7 days, and I'm meeting with one friend over coffee. And yeah, we'll see how the day goes. Couple things here and there that I have to finish, and that's pretty much it. Hey Siri, can you call?
Bloop.
Hey, how's everything, man? Can you talk?
I can. What's going on?
So, nothing much. I always like to go straight to the point. so I have a agent. She wants to refer me and you a listing. It's a bar and they're selling a building. Alright, so I'm done. As you can see, every 7 days haircut. And then before this, I went on a coffee with one of my friends. We actually had lunch. Then I went to the post office to mail some stuff. And then that's pretty much it for this week. I wasn't filming that much because I consider myself somewhat private person, which is very weird to say because I do put myself on a YouTube for anyone to see, but I do not film like daily activities. I haven't filmed when I went to the gym, to swimming pool, or when I played with my son, or when I had the breakfast. So I just didn't film those things. Maybe in the next vlog I will, but this is just a small piece of my day. And also I don't film talking to clients. I don't film all of those things because I respect their privacy and I think they would appreciate me not to put them on the spot for no reason. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully we will see each other in the next video.